Court cases linked to the Hanceville Police Department now in question, all because of the possibility of evidence tampering. Just one concern stemming from a stunning investigation revealed this week. That's where we start. Thanks for joining us. I'm Gabe Glassman. Tonight we speak one-on-one with the district attorney following the arrests of 5 police officers, including the chief and one officer's spouse. They are accused of tampering with physical evidence, distributing drugs, and other felony and misdemeanor counts. Our Ken McCoy tells us what the DA has to say about the impact on dozens of criminal cases there.
In just 48 hours, the residents of Hanceville learned their chief and several officers have been indicted, the evidence room compromised, and the policing of the city turned over to the Cullman County Sheriff. The lack of control at the police department's evidence room could have long-lasting implications. Cases now compromised. On Friday, one resident says she's not surprised.
Look at what happened last year when the officer OD'd. I mean, he got drugs out of the property room. You know, that's one. But, you know, you see them just sitting around, like you could have a car flying by you, and they don't do nothing. They don't do nothing.
District Attorney Crocker tells Fox 54 he was shocked at what he learned. He's working to review every aspect of this case and others.
We are reviewing everything. This morning I had a conversation with a state official about an audit of the evidence room. Hanceville has asked for that audit as well. I asked for it, and that is in motion.
Photos show officers going in and out of the evidence room without authorization. Tampering with evidence is among the charges handed up by the grand jury. However, without cameras inside the room, Crocker says it's hard to say what happened there.
Well, we don't know what they were doing in the evidence room because there are no cameras, in the evidence room itself. But there is some footage showing a lot of activity coming in and out. We see some evidence outside of the evidence room. But there was, when it comes to evidence, not anybody can go in the evidence room.
Bordeaux says the disbandment was necessary and is hoping things improve now that Cullman sheriffs have taken over.
Why are they sitting there getting paid to do nothing and then they're corrupt? Yeah, let Cullman do it.
Crocker says it's important that the people who live here know, despite the turmoil, the community is safe.
The citizens of Hanceville deserve to have law enforcement protecting them. With or without a police department, the citizens of Hanceville, the businesses and the industries there deserve to be protected, deserve to be safe.
Crocker says they are looking into exactly how many cases could be affected due to evidence tampering. In Hanceville, Ken McCoy, Fox 54 News.
We're also learning of a lawsuit filed by a former Hanceville police officer in 2024. Lowell Hatter filed a lawsuit against the city, the mayor, and the city clerk, citing concerns about the police department evidence room. He claimed wrongful termination and that he was denied benefits after almost 10 years of service. The lawsuit says he was a custodian of evidence, but when he asked to be allowed to make an inventory of the evidence room, Hatter claims Mayor Jimmy Sawyer ordered him to leave the premises. The defense denied all of these claims.